Welcome to this first lesson. The best way to start using Sketch is by creating a real portfolio. We're going to create a website similar to this one, where we'll be offering our graphic design services. This will do for you either you're a designer, illustrator, or digital artist, and want to show your work to the rest of the world. In our website, we are going to include a navigating menu, the sections and the social networks, a main section where we are going to introduce ourselves, then a section with our projects and about me section, and then a contact form, and finally a footer with other info and links. In order to enliven our website and add content, we're going to include some free images and icons that I took from Freepik, Flat Icon, and Unsplash, among others. Although you're free to use your own images and text to add your personal touch. In addition, you can download the file sketch from TutPad. It is the project I'm going to create in this course so that you can come back to it anytime you need it. Lastly, remember to upload your project to TutPad at the end of the course to share your creation with colleagues and other students. I'm dying to see your project, so let's get started. See you in the next video!